The only thing that stands between us and our greatness is our own self-doubt. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. I am the great Testy said that even before I knew I was. Don't count, that is, make the days count. It's not bragging if you can back it up. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. It's the repetition of affirmations that leads to belief, and once that belief becomes a deep conviction, things begin to happen. If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. If you even dream of beating me, you'd better wake up and apologize. I've wrestled with alligators, I've tussled with a whale, I done handcuffed lightning and thrown thunder in jail. A man who has no imagination has no wings. Silence is golden when you can't think of a good answer. The fight is won or lost far away from witnesses, behind the lines, in the gym, and out there on the road, long before I dance under those lights. A man who views the world the same at 50 as he did at 20 has wasted 30 years of his life. Live every day as if it were your last, because someday you're going to be right. Don't give up, keep pushing, because life starts when you're at the end of your comfort zone. Friendship is not something you learn in school, but if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. I'm so fast that last night I turned off the light switch in my hotel room and was in bed before the room. I don't count my sit-ups. I only start counting when it starts hurting, because they're the only ones that count.